This Coldwell Banker Heritage Homes property video is presented by Michael Ford. Modern farmhouse featuring an open floor plan accented by 9-foot ceilings. Luxurious primary bedroom suite features a large 4x6 custom shower, 8.5 by 7.5 feet closet and double sinks. Can't wait for you to see the kitchen, great room and dining area. It's all wide open space. The kitchen features a large island set off by quartz countertops. The eating bar overlooks the great room. It's perfect for entertaining during the holiday season. Off the kitchen is a large 9 by 6.8 pantry. The house also features 2 porches, one in front and one on the rear of the house. New floor plan for the area. Custom, epoxy concrete floors throughout the house. For more information